The High Court has dismissed a petition filed by victims and families affected by the 1998 bomb blast, seeking compensation from the government, ruling that the case lacked merit. For survivors of the 1998 Nairobi bomb blast and families who lost loved ones during the attack, the High Court decision delivered more than a legal decision. It reopened wounds that have remained raw for over 2 decades. The court dismissed a petition in which the victims and affected families had sought compensation from the government, ruling that the case lacked sufficient legal merit.
In any event, I've gone through the said judgments carefully, and I do not find anywhere where the American courts made findings faulting the government of Kenya for negligence or complicity in the U.S. embassy terrorist attack by Al-Qaeda terrorists. Indeed, despite annexing the said judgments, the petitioners did not point any such finding against the government of Kenya in any of the American court judgments. All that was clear was that the American courts squarely placed responsibility of the attack on the Republic of Sudan. In my view, the ES statements in the reports cannot be relied upon as substantive evidence to prove disputed evidential facts that the government of Kenya failed to act on prior intelligence. Lastly, there were prayers as follows. An order directed at the Attorney General to, within 6 months of the court judgment, present a report to the court on the steps taken by the government. 1. To file an international jurisdiction case for compensation of all victims and their families against the Republic of Sudan and Iran, and or steps taken to obtain reparations from those countries. 2. Obtain compensation for victims from Al-Qaeda assets and BNP Paribas, SA, BNPP, and global financial institution headquartered in Paris. And number 3, seek acknowledgement of responsibility from the republics of Sudan and Iran. The prayers are not aligned to the mandate of the Attorney General under the Constitution or the statute. The Attorney General's role do not extend to singularly suing foreign states to seek compensation on behalf of individual complainants or with a view to seizing their assets. In my humble view, whether the government of Kenya should take legal action against the government of Sudan, Iran, or France or French bank BNP Paribas for their suspected involvement in the US embassy bomb blast terrorist attack of 1998 requires delicate weighing of many factors that include high-level political consequences that comes with taking such action, which this court feels restrained to take, as it requires balancing of various interests which include political and diplomatic consequences.
Now, the country will have to do more to